Welcome to Expat Living here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I'll be taking you on a tour at our compound called Andorra Village here in the city of Riyadh. It is catered mostly for all the expatriates in this city. It is full of many fun things to do like balance beam, exercise fields, the gym, the pool, even basketball, tennis, swimming, so many fun activities here. And they also have cafes, a mini mart, and lots of activities during the week for all the expatriates living in this compound. I absolutely love this place. The whole development consists about approximately over 1,000 units and houses, and we are currently staying in a 2-bedroom unit, rent approximately from about 150,000 SARS per year. Now let's take a tour of our beautiful unit. Welcome to our humble abode, a 2-bedroom apartment in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And we are living in a compound, and it's on the outskirts near the airport. And this is our beautiful view from the balcony. The compound living have thousands and thousands of units, and this apartment comes pretty much fully furnished. However, we will be having our own furniture shipment arriving soon, and it's practically a 180 view of the pool. I think that in this compound living there are like 3 or 4 pools in the whole vicinity, so it comes also with a TV. Your electrical goods are provided. Look at all our bottled water. You don't drink tap water here. So there's also the fridge and a little stove. So this is a small kitchen, countertop, and the dining and living. It's pretty spacious for a 2-bedder. Now we'll walk to the bedrooms. So this is like a laundry area. There's a cupboard here to put all your goodies in. It's pretty empty at the moment because we're living off the suitcase. And yeah, lots of cupboard space, washer and dryer provided. There's the only thing, there's no storeroom, so we have to store our suitcases here. This is the guest bathroom, which is very basic but clean and neat, and practically mine anyway, this one, because yeah. This is the 2nd bedroom. Comes with a queen size bed, a little nook for the dresser, and a very nice wardrobe. Okay, I love the wardrobe. They're very, very spacious. It's like a 3-door wardrobe. Yeah. Okay, and then they provide a washer and dryer because we don't really hang our clothes to dry outside because it gets pretty dusty. So this is the master, slightly more spacious than the other guest room. Okay, and same wardrobe space. And yeah, these are the furniture they provide. A dresser that we turned into like a little computer table, yeah, which eventually will all go because we have our furniture. And this is the master toilet. All right, yeah, it's very bright and sunny, and I would presume the floor area is roughly about 1,300 square feet, thereabouts. And yeah, this is the main door, and there's a little toilet that we just turn into a
storeroom really. Okay, so let's end it with this beautiful view. Can't wait for the winter. And then we can hang outside on the balcony.